Welcome to the Marshall floor plan by Pulte Homes in Riverstone, my friends. You are going to love this beauty. Let's go inside the fence and take a look. My God, I thought it was amazing. All right, guys, so we are going to tour the Marshall floor plan. Pulte Homes out in Riverstone. It's a beauty. 4 to 6 bedrooms this home can come with, okay? And I got a little tongue tied, but 4 to 6 bedrooms, up to 6 bedrooms, I guess I should say, and then up to 4 bathrooms, 2,800 plus square feet on this home. What does that tell you? You can come in and customize this thing like you want it if you build it, okay? Let's go inside and take a look. I tell you what, it is a beauty. Love the cover front porch already. Okay, you got all this beautiful brick out here. Okay, hardy board on this side. Wonderful. Flooring, we've got here vinyl plank. Now let me tell you something. Homes in this neighborhood start out in the mid 300s. We're still out in Monroe. Okay, Monroe Indian Trail area. But Pulte just opened up. I went into the model and I tell you what, they're only doing appointment only today. And it was packed. Both reps, Travis and Liza, out here with just tables full of people waiting to get into this neighborhood. It's highly coveted. This area is highly coveted. And this community, it's going to be highly coveted. You've got both, as you saw the drive-through, you've got townhomes and you've got single family homes in this neighborhood. Massive island right here. I love that. Love it. Stainless steel. And yes, you do have gas appliances. A lot of times your folks will call and ask me about that. Let's see if they did soft close in the model. Yeah, they did. Love it. Love that beautiful backsplash right here too. But this baby is wide open. Got a covered lanai on the back. Fancy word, isn't it? I call it a covered back porch, okay? But the builders call it a lanai, all right? Got a covered lanai. And look here, check this out. 2 pickleball courts, okay? Swimming pool, did y'all see that? This place is gonna be awesome out here, guys. Riverstone, okay? Got a great amenity center. It's gonna be pretty freaking slick. We do have a bedroom also on the main level. So you talk about that generational living, they've got that for you. Here's your closet here in this room. I like that too. It's pretty neat, right? Got a full bathroom down here for you as well. You know me, I'm gonna rip all that out. Put me some tile up there, okay? Add some value. Let's check out the size of our garage. Let's see what we got here. Okay, got a nice size garage. All right, see if we got any additional storage in here. Oh man, wait a minute. Did they give you a tankless water heater out here? Because I don't see one. That could be awesome. We'll find out. All right, let's go see the rest of our house. I mean, I'm liking this so far. Tell me, listen, I want to hear you comment below. Like, what do you think so far about the Marshall plan? Yeah, we saw that room already. About the Marshall plan by Pulte Homes, Riverstone. All right, comment below, guys. Let's get upstairs. All righty. Here we go. Yep. Got that loft over here for you. Not massive, but it is nice. Just we're over here. Let's take a look here. Got a bedroom here for you. Okay. Let's see what kind of storage. All right, got a little closet there. Looks like we got a little nook over here. Oh, there we go. Let's see what kind of closet we've got here. Perfect. Yeah, if you hear me breathing hard, I'm out of breath, okay? I've been moving like crazy today, trying to keep the sun so I can get all these videos for you guys. So yeah, my goodness. Everybody thinks in real estate that we just dress up nice, look clean and handsome and pretty. No, we're working our tails off. I tell you, but I love it. And we got a large and in charge primary bedroom right here. And it's clean. Look, listen, look at all the space in between. Look at this. This is amazing. You've got a ton of space in this room, okay? Like, I love it. I love what they're doing here. Love it, love it, love it. I'm gonna show you guys here really quickly. Let me set that down, okay? Look, I'm a pretty tall guy, all right? We got a lot of room over here, okay? I come over here to this side. Look, listen, this is what I'm talking about. I hope you guys can see me. This space in between your nightstand and your bed, and you've got a freaking king size bed in this house, okay? That's pretty freaking awesome. You got a lot of room in here, okay? Which means you can do a sitting area if you want to. Here's our primary bath. Not large, okay? But hey, I would rather have that space in my bedroom, I don't know about you, and in here, okay? My closet, which is massive. I love it. And of course, that coveted private water closet, okay? Very happy about that too. Dual vanity sinks, okay? Tile all the way to my ceiling. All right, let's go. I absolutely love that. Love it, love it, love it, okay? And guys, listen, I like the Marshall plan. We're gonna go next door. Now they've got a ranch home that we drove by here too, but they use it as their model, so we can't actually look at it. But for those of you that want a ranched out home, they've got one here for you, all right? Sit tight, let's go next door. I'll be right back. So you think you've seen everything that Pulte Homes has to offer? Well, think again. This is a new plan by Pulte called the North Ridge, and it is amazing. We're gonna go inside, my friends, and take a look. I'll be right back. Let's get it. All right, guys, this right here is a smoker, okay? We are still here at Riverstone by Pulte Homes. This is called the North Ridge floor plan, and you are going to love it, okay? We've got up to 6 bedrooms in this home, up to 5.5 bathrooms, okay? 3,000 plus square feet. And you can see you've got this massive covered front porch. This neighborhood's gonna be awesome too. Swimming pool, clubhouse, pickleball, tennis courts, walking trails, you name it, they got it all for you. Look at all the stone on this home too. I mean, I'm sorry, brick. I'm sorry, brick. Look at all this brick on this house. I mean, absolutely stunning. But let's go inside, voila. It is beautiful. This is right here in your front door, of course. As soon as you walk in, you got a beautiful dining space, butler's pantry over there. We're gonna spin around though, because we do have an office right here on our main level, okay? That could also double, no, not as a bedroom, but it is an office space. But you could throw your little closet over there, turn it into a bedroom if you wish. I'm sure you get the option because you got up to 6 bedroom options here, okay? Let's see, just amazing. Got a bathroom right here. Now our floors in here are gonna be vinyl plank. Love the wrought iron right there on the stairs going up, love it. Okay, got some good storage right here, of course, up under the stairs. Here we go. Oh, no light in here, but oh, boom, here we go. Here's some light. Got it. There we go. Got some good storage there. Okay. Now tell you what, can you see how wide this is? This is a house, okay? This is very wide right here in your foyer coming in. Got crown molding up here too. Love that. Pulte does a great job, I tell you that. All right, this is coming in through your garage door. So you got that coveted, patented Pulte Media Center right here. Okay, I like that. Sit down and do your homework. Pay your bills right there, okay? Got your mud room right here. And again, we're out here in really Indian Trail, Monroe, okay? This is where we are, on the edge. Refrigerator goes right there, gourmet kitchen, soft close cabinets. Here's that butler's pantry I was telling you about. Got that wine rack. Got a space down here for your wine cooler if you want to do that, okay? Here's your pantry. Just an amazing home. Love the two-tone they did here as well. Here we go. And I love the fact they did a furniture hood on this home as well. Absolutely beautiful. And let me show you here. You got soft close cabinets on this home, okay? Wonderful. All right. Now I absolutely love the stone fireplace right here. And you look, listen, now this is an add-on, my friends, but this is beautiful right here, okay? The sitting area right off of your kitchen. Gotta love that. How y'all doing? Come on in. How you doing, man? No, it's okay, man. How y'all doing? Yeah, come on in. Here we go. Beautiful. It's your closet there. It's a bedroom on your main level. Look how massive this is. Huge. And this is not your primary, but it's got a beautiful bathroom down here too. Here we go. That tile flooring right here. Okay, granite countertops, love it. And then you got that tile all the way to the ceiling. This is amazing, okay? Beautiful, beautiful home. Pulte did a great job and the prices are wonderful. Let's go upstairs though. Let's take a look and see what we got up here. Yeah, how you doing? Hello, hey, how are you today?
How you doing?
I'm following you guys up. All right, here we go. I don't even know which way to go, but that's our primary. We'll go there last. So the first thing I want to show you, you've got a nice loft up here, okay? It's beautiful. And this could also double as a bedroom, okay? Because you've got this closet here, but that's massive. All right, and I can imagine we've got some storage. Yep, right here. Here we go. Got your laundry room here. Good size laundry room for you. Let's check out our bedrooms, right? We're gonna do that primary last. So here's bedroom one. Let's see what kind of closets they gave us. Yeah, nice deep, big closet here. I like that. Let's see here. Got a massive bathroom here. And you know I'm gonna pull that insert out, of course. Okay, get that tile all the way to the ceiling. Add some value for myself, all right? But I love this home. Let's see here. Got another bedroom over here on this side. Here we go. All the closets are nice in here too. This is awesome. All right, here's another bedroom for you here. Look at all the natural light coming in through here. Love that. All right, and here we go. Last but not least, here's our primary. Love it. Got one closet coming in right here. And boom. Gotta love it. Massive closet right here. Okay, here we go. And then of course, oh man, got that soaker tub. Come on, Pulte. You know how to do it. I love the tile all the way around. Oh man, this is so nice. Look at this. Ah, it's so nice, man. They did this tile all the way around here. Oh boy. Y'all better go ahead, man. I love the separated sinks right here too. Got one on each side. I love it. Okay, when I say love it, I love it. Here we go. There's your private water closet. Guys, listen. This is an amazing home. Rainfall shower head up there. Got your bench inside. This is beautiful. Beautiful. All right, guys, listen. This is going to wrap up our tour of Monroe Indian Trail, new construction. You've seen homes at various price points, great neighborhoods, all new constructions, great incentives. All right, you know what to do. My information is going to be in that description box below. Give me a call, 704-340-3822. Sean Gerald, guys, Lifestyle International Realty. at your service. Let's go get it. I'll talk to y'all soon. All right, my friends, so that wraps up our tour of Monroe, listen, / Indian Trail. We saw some beautiful homes. I tell you what, I think my favorite though was this Pulte neighborhood. That Northridge model was absolutely incredible. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. You know what to do, give me a call, 704-340-3822. Hope you enjoyed the video, my friends. I know it was long, but I hope you enjoyed it. I'll talk to you soon. Let's go.